Regardless if you're a gift basket designer or just any individual who would like to learn how to customize your stuffed animal so you can use it anytime for any occasion. Super simple, super easy. And yeah, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, you guys, if you get them stuffed animals on clearance, I simply want to show you how you can customize it. Super easy, you guys. Super easy. Okay, now I'm going to start with this one. We're going to do 2 stuffed animals. I'm going to do this one first, all right? Now, these antler things, they got to go. Now, we're going to fix this up. The stuffed animal is for Valentine's Day. We're going to make it work for Mother's Day. So, we're going to remove the antlers. Super easy, you guys. All you got to do is take your scissors, and you see the thread right there? Just cut it, and it comes off so easy, okay? Just be careful that you do not make a hole in the stuffed animal, okay? Look how easy that is. Comes right off. Okay, now you see these little knots right here? All you gotta do, take your scissors and pull them out. Boom, just like that. Oh, there's another one right there. Okay, let me show you again. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, now just remove your tags. All right, now we are going to first start with this little heart. I'm going to keep this on here. All I'm going to do is use HTV, heat transfer vinyl, and stick an image right there, okay? Now, I also want to talk about the paw right here. A lot of times you will get stuffed animals that are on clearance and they have the year on the paw. All you got to do is cut you out a image on HTV using your Cricut machine. You can do this even if you don't have a Cricut machine. All you have to do is take a pair of scissors and cut you out a shape. Just make sure it's nice and neat and professional looking, okay? And all we're going to do is, so we're just pretending like there's a year up under there, okay? And this cover it up nice and perfect, okay? Take your iron, a regular household iron, you guys, and iron that bad boy right on. Be careful you do not burn yourself, okay? That is all you have to do. This heat transfer vinyl will not come off. It is on there. Perfect for your customers if you are selling these, okay? And just wait till it cools off and peel it right off. Boom. Just like that. All right. Now we're going to stick a decal right here on this little heart. And I'm just going to put a towel up underneath so I won't mess it up. All right, let me see. I'm just going to position it. Let me see. That looks good. That looks good right there. All right, good enough. Okay, so make sure you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just going to take the household iron, you guys, and iron that bad boy on. Just like that. Let it cool off. Look at that. Look at that. Look how cute. Easy peasy. All right, so let me show you what you can do with a customized stuffed animal. I'm just going to attach it to this gift, balloon gift right here. And it is a Snoopy theme. And look how cute. All right, one more, y'all. One more. We're going to do another stuffed animal. I just want to show you. All right, this came from Walgreens. And it look all right. Y'all might rock it as is, but I'm not feeling this little thing right here. This right here. That gotta go. We ain't. Okay, so we're gonna do basically the same thing. All right, so I'm just gonna take my scissors And we're about to cut the thread. I just want y'all to see how easy it is. How easy it comes off. Wow. Just like that. All right. Again, you see the knots right there? Take your scissors. I'm going to just pull them out. Okay. Now, I am going to just take a scrap piece of ribbon and tie it around the neck of the little stuffed animal, okay? But before I do, I'm going to clean it up a little bit. You see that piece? I'm just going to clean it up just like that. All right. So I'm just going to tie a bow real quick. Boom. Just like that. All right, now I'm about to use this heart that I got off of another stuffed animal, you guys. So I'm just going to reuse it. All right. And I'm going to do the same thing by putting a decal on here. A heat transfer decal. Okay. So I think you can get it from Dollar Tree. Please let me know in the comments. Can you get HTV from Dollar Tree? I know you can permanent vinyl, but I don't know. Okay. So all I'm gonna do is stick this image right up on here. Okay. Now it look kind of big, but let me see. Yeah, it look kind of big, y'all. But I'm gonna rock. We about to rock with it. Let me see. Make sure it is positioned right. Let me see. Let me adjust it just a little bit. Kind of look big. And I should have used black for the I love you because you can't really see it. And again, just take your iron. Make sure you don't burn yourself. And iron that bad boy right up on there. Look at that. Look how pretty. Okay. And just peel it off. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to attach it. Now, only do this way if you are putting it inside a balloon because you want it to be as secure as possible. So I'm going to use hot glue just because I'm putting it in a balloon. Now, if you're giving the stuffed animal to a customer, please don't use hot glue. All right. Now, I'm going to show you a way to give it to your customers and to put it in a balloon. All right. You're just going to take your tag gun. Just like that. And I am going to use my tag gun to attach it in all the right spots so I know it is nice and secure. Boom. Just like that, y'all. Okay, now this is what you can do with a customized stuffed animal. We stuck it inside of a balloon, you guys. Look how pretty. Now it's not quite done. Why, you might ask? Because I still got to put a decal on the balloon. And check out the next video and I'll show you how to do that. All right? But now it's done for this video. Okay? With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.